Hi guys, how you all doing? Thought I'd give you a quick tour of my tool haul off Carboot sale. Just give you a quick rundown on everything I bought and the prices I paid for them. Start off with the ammo box. My first purchase, paid £5. There's a few there. This one was in the best condition, so I picked this up. And we have a couple of spoke shaves. A couple of vintage spoke shaves, paid £1 each for them. This one's non-branded, needs a little bit of TLC. This one is, I don't know if it's a brand or if someone's just stamped the name into it. J.H. Dean. If it will focus, there we go. Again, it's in good condition, still sharp. Happy with that. For adjustable wrench, little tiny one. Company called Garrington. I did a bit of research on this, and it has something to do with Jaguar, the car manufacturer itself. I don't know if it's something that they put in the cars as a toolkit and so on, so whatever. I was pretty happy with that. Got a couple of vintage knives. Paid £2 for both of them. I have a non-marring mallet. Thor, the company is, and paid 50p for that. I think they go for about 20 quid, brand new on eBay. A couple of squares, vintage ones, in really good condition. The brass is really thick, so none of that cheap shit that you buy nowadays. Both made by Mallets. I paid £1 each for them. We have another angle finder. It's an extra long one, made by Eclipse, made in Sheffield, UK. Expanding foam gun. Paid £1.50 for that. A little clogged up, but I'm sure I'll be able to get it cleaned up and working again. Here I have the Best Buy. Got this Snapon Ratchet with this kit here. Wasn't sure of the brand and all these sockets and so, but I only purchased it because of the Snapon Ratchet. I paid £4 for the set, and this a 1/2" ratchet. And hold on, let's get it to focus. S710, made in Canada. Working condition. Probably needs a little TLC and re-greasing and so on, so again, bargain. Anyway, the socket set, company called G-Door, German company. I had a look online and it come up showing £145, but in good condition. This box is a bit roughed up, needs a bit of a clean and so. But then I was pretty shocked with the price and how much they go for. There was quite a few of them, so I got myself a good deal there. I think I'll leave the box the way it is. I quite like the look on it. I'll probably throw a bit of lacquer, leave that rustic look. It was missing the original ratchet. The Snap-on one was in there, and that's the reason why I bought it. But £4, bargain. Pipe slice, vintage one. I'm not sure of the brand. There is a brand on there somewhere, can't remember. But again, the blades are in good condition. Really nice piece of kit. And here we have a Dremel 4000. This one comes with all the accessories and the little flexi head, to get into tight spaces and whatever else. All the bits, sanding bits, cutting disc, buffing disc. Paid £10 for it. I wasn't sure if it was working. I took the guy's word for it, came home, plugged it, it was working. Bargain at that price. I think this kit sells brand new for about 140 or something like that, 150 or whatever it is. But for £10 you can't go wrong with it. So this is everything I purchased. Hope you've all enjoyed watching. Subscribe, like. Thank you.